So yun guys, may sasabihin pala ako sa inyo my story ito. Yung ganito na kain, normally, di ba, pag mga estudyante, ganyan, nagbo-board, ito yung parang madali ang kainan. Ako naman, once upon a time in my life, nakapagtrabaho ako sa Manila for a year. Ang nangyari noon is, um, alam mo yun, yung never, at that time, never pa ako nakasakay ng aeroplano, ganyan-ganyan. So, nung nakita ko sa newspaper na parang may call center located in Manila, they will go to like provinces, like for example in Cebu, even if it's a city. But anyway, they will go there and they will interview some people. And if you get the job, they will fly you to Manila and relocate you there. So, because one of my dreams nga na parang I really want to see other places. So, Manila was such like a big thing for me because at that time I've never been there. I've only just been in Cebu. That's always been my life since I was a kid. So, when I had the opportunity, I get a job. I applied for that job. And then we flew to Manila and we were living like in a big room na parang ano, actually, yung first, parang my first and second batch. So, napasama ako sa first batch and pinatira kami doon sa Pasay ata ang tawag noon. Sa Pasay, sa condo doon, tawag is California Garden Square. So, 2 rooms siya na condo, pero mga 10 kami doon. Imagine that. Tapos, parang we were so young at wala pa kaming knowledge about, Manila and all that. So, we were being put there. And we thought, I think, libre ba yun? I think first month, parang yung bayad ata is i-deduct sa salary namin, ganyan. So, lahat kami doon, taga Cebu, kain mo na. So, there's only 2 rooms. So, 5 men, I think, were in the men's room. Like, there's another room, and then there's another room here na parang kabila mga girls. So, ang nangyari, lahat kami is parang ang babata pa namin, and then, yung salary, yung sweldo is next month pa. So, wala-wala talagang kapirahan. So, yung mga baon namin is, yung konti-konti lang. At that time, I had, I think, 4,000 pesos. At malaki na yun. Kasi yung ibang mga kasama ko, yung dalang pera nila, tagwa 1,000, tagsi 700, ganyan. So, parang tipiran talaga. So, para makasurvive, is, yung mga kinakain namin doon is mga ganito. Ganyan. So, mga noodles. Masarap naman siya. Tapos, yung isang noodles, guys, pinag-share pa namin ng 2, 3 tao para lang talaga ma-survive namin yung 1 month na walang sweldo. And then, wait lang. After 1 month na, parang ini-expect mo na may salary ka. Actually siya? Call center siya na parang telemarketing. So, you have to call people, businesses in the US, and then offer them some product. Yung na-remember ko parang SEO ata, yun. Oo. Yeah, SEO. Tapos, hindi namin alam, hindi kami na-inform na parang you have to have a quota. So, I think in 1 week, we have to make 12 sales. Pag hindi yun nakuha, yung ganon-ganon ng mga sales, hindi mo makukuha yung sweldo mo. So, but it's not like yung sweldo mo is gone. Hindi parang ikikeep nila until such time na parang you're able to get the desired sales. Doon mo na makukuha. So, may iba talaga sa amin, including me, na hindi nakapag-sweldo after a month kasi hindi nakuha yung quota na hinihingi nila. So, we were like, why? What? Actually, nakapag-sweldo kami, pero half lang. Half ng sweldo, nakuha namin half is kinip nila, which is hindi kami na-inform. So, sobrang hirap nun. Alam mo yung gusto mong kumain ng McDonald's, gusto mong kumain ng Jollibee, ganyan, hindi mo ma-afford. So, yung kinakain talaga may mga ganito-ganito lang. Yung, grabe. So, pag kinakain ko to na-remember ko talaga yung life na yun. And then, after nun, so, medyo naka-adjust na kami, may mga sweldo na ganyan, pero maliit lang talaga yung sweldo compare sa parang, alam mo, na-shock naman ako. Na-shock ako kasi sa Cebu noon, parang nakakabili ka pa ata ng rice ng 5 pesos at that time. And sa Manila parang 10 pesos ata isang rice. Kaya parang lahat isang mahal at hindi mo in-expect. Ganun pala. So anyway, after how many months ata na nakatira kami doon sa condo, nag-alisa na yung iba. Ang iba, nag-transfer na ng ibang company na much better. So ako naman is, nag-transfer na din ako ng tirahan. So doon ako from Pasay, napunta na ako sa Makati. So, same store, hindi na siya condo, parang apartment siya, boarding house, ganyan. So, doon kami, so same story, kasi nga ang mahal ng mga bilihin doon. So, yung mga kinakain lang talaga namin is mga ganito-ganito. And then, there was no kitchen doon at actually bawal magluto. Pero, of course, we have to make our own food kasi hindi namin afford na kumain lagi sa labas. So, bumili kami yung, alam mo, yung electric hot plate na gano'n. So, nagluluto kami yung mga madalian na luto lang, yung mga lahat na dilata, yung mga noodles, ganyan. And then, mayroon kaming parang landlord doon na parang chine-check na nangangamoy na parang, nagluluto. So, yung pinaglutuan namin, hide namin under the bed. Kasi di ba parang double deck yan. So, may space dito. So, hide namin doon para hindi makita, ganyan. So, yun yung naging buhay ko doon for a year na parang sobrang tipiran talaga ng makakain. Yung makakain. So, ito yung mga ganitong kinakain namin. So, while I'm eating this, it actually brings back memory. Ganyan. Pero, hindi naman doon parang all bad stuff. May mga good things din naman na mga nangyari doon while we were there. And, yung parang nakapag-adjust na kami, we're able to, afford na yung parang sure na may sweldo ka na talaga nakukuha. So, afford na din namin kahit pa paano kumain sa labas, party-party, kahit paano. Pero ito talaga yung bumuhay sa amin. Tapos yung isang ganito, parang tatlo kayong maghahati-hati. Yung itlog nyo na ganyan is like budgeted also so that it will last until a month. Hindi ka pwedeng kain lang kasi gusto mo. Tapos yung nangyari is, because we were living in one room, so usap-usap kami na parang okay, let's partner or something like that. Now we buy food together and then we budget it so that we're sure that until the next salary there's food. So yun ginawa namin. And then now, so sobrang ang dami nang nangyari sa buhay. From that first experience na napalayo ka sa family mo because most of the time is like I've been living with them. And yun lang talaga yung parang experience ng 1 year na parang I've been living alone, na first time ko nakasakay ng eroplano, na ganito pala ang feeling. And then after a year, bumalik na ako ng Cebu. Ang bilis ng pangyayari na bumalik ako ng Cebu and then nag-work na din ako ng call center na naman doon and then Martin visited me there. Yun na. Tapos after nun, nag-travel na ako. Pero ito talaga yung parang, dati parang hindi mo siya ma-appreciate, pero ngayon parang, of course na-appreciate ko naman siya dati. I mean, ito yung bumuhay sa amin. Itong ganitong pagkain. Pero dito ang mahal, It's like this one, we were eating it there because it was cheap and it was fast and, it fills your tummy. Dito naman, kinakain mo siya kasi nag-crave ka and actually mahal siya. I mean, not mahal, but it's like, magkano ba ito? Nakalimutan ko na. 10 kroner ata yung isa. So, let's just say 70 pesos. Ewan ko, hindi ko maano. Pero anyway, of course, mahal siya kasi nandito na sa Europe and then yung pag-export kanyan. So, yun. Tapos, dalawa na yung egg na nilagay ko dati. Isa-isa lang. My gosh. Yun muna. Wala si Martin, guys. He's out. He's with his friend. And okay din naman yun kasi minsan kahit mag-asawa tayo, I mean, I enjoy his company, he's funny and all that. But minsan talaga, gusto mo rin yung parang time alone, ganyan. At nai-enjoy ko siya. Talaga. Sarap. So yun guys, yun yung parang kwentong Lucky Me ko, kwentong noodles ko. Mm. Sarap. Higop muna tayo ha. Huwag nyo na akong i-judge. Wala akong spoon. Sarap niya. Naubos ko na talaga siya guys. Thank you. Agoy. Blah. Thank you so much for watching and I hope na-enjoy niyo. Kasi na-enjoy ko yung aking pagkain. Sarap niya. Brings back memory. Napaka-simple. It's so simple to do. Busog. Tapos na. Yung dinner ko. So, yun guys, thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your evening.